where you're supposed to put all of your stuff, like your suitcases and your valuables, because you don't have a room.
This is your room.
DITLO. Good morning. It's absolutely not morning. It is 4:30 p.m. Susie's here. Is it 4:30? Yeah.
It's 008. 30.
I just wanted to show you guys my lunch because should I show them? They might get a little jealous.
They might be. They're like, tell me where this is.
So basically my house is like Le Chateau and then another French word after it because I got microwave chicken and half of Susie's cucumber. That's the official name of the dish. Microwaved chicken and half of Susie's cucumber.
Going to a store near you. And this is where you're supposed to put all of your stuff, like your suitcases and your valuables, because you don't have a room.
This is your room, basically. Yeah. This is the thing that locks. And in these lockers, they give you like a little bag for overnight purposes.
Yeah, like a little goodie hospitality bag. It's basically like a towel and then some scrubs, sort of like PJ situations.
I wasn't breathing.
You were what?
I said I wasn't breathing.
I'm just recoloring it because it was fading, so I am late for work, but you know, priorities. Okay, I gotta go to take shower. Goodbye.
Listen, me and Susie have been watching The Act, and
Why are you recording me? Are you gonna be recording this whole time?
why does Susie sound exactly like her?
What are you talking about?
Warden, what do you think?
Shade of it all.
If you haven't seen it, you should watch it. I can't even believe it's a real story. I love this angle. Oh, Gypsy. Oh, Gypsy,
Oh my
you
gosh,
know
what if
Mama
Warren's
loves
voice
you.
was like Gypsy.
Come on now, let's talk about it.
Do it. Oh, Gypsy, are you hungry, darling?
I wish you would stop touching my back like that. Just like get a life or something.
I'm filming his butthole by accident. Oh, you know. Your mama's just a little hungry, Gypsy. I really think we should go get some food. What do you say about that?
Really, Mom? You mean it? Yay!
And how about I get you that Dr. Pepper that I didn't let you drink the other day, sweetheart?
Is it my birthday?
Yes, 1991. 1995, baby.
Yes, I was born 1995.
Oh, also this is on. Clearly we're not paying attention. Also don't, my window looks like a piano. Oh.
Missing some teeth.
Yes. Anyway, I'm hungry. Okay, get up. Okay.
I think you'd find this interesting. I want to watch it. Can we watch it together? Oops. Why am I not?
The TV's not on.